So this is the beautiful Xiaomi Mi 9 with the Snapdragon 855 and the Super AMOLED display of 6.39 inches. The SDR10 display with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and it has also Adreno GPU 640. Running the latest Android version of 9.0 and MIUI 10 from Xiaomi. It also supports the fast wireless charging for 20 watts. On the front, this is the 20 megapixel camera. On the back side, the triple camera setup with the 48, 16 and 12 megapixels. The bottom of the phone is a single firing speaker and USB type C. On the right side of the phone, the power button with the volume rockers. On the above, you can see the IR blaster. On the left side, the SIM tray and the dedicated Google Assistant button. Inside the box, we can find the fast charging adapter with the USB Type-C data cable. So we have some booklets are there, and the SIM ejector tool. We have the Type-C headphone adapter and also the silicone cover inside the box. So these are some pictures taken from the Xiaomi Mi 9 camera. So stay tuned for the full review in next 2 days, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.